What if a small investment in cryptocurrency today could become much bigger in the future? Rocket money bag. Some people made life-changing money from crypto, while others lost everything. So what's the difference? Strategy. Show glowing cryptocurrency coins with rising charts. Cryptocurrency has created huge opportunities, but also huge risks. In this video, learn simple ways people make money with crypto, how beginners can start safely, and the biggest mistakes to avoid. Watch till the end to discover why most people fail in crypto, and how smart investors avoid that trap. Show text, Crypto Wealth Strategies. Section 1. Understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is digital money powered by blockchain technology. Show digital blockchain animation. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Prices move based on demand, adoption, and market sentiment. Understanding the basics is important before investing. Section 2. Buy and hold strategy. One of the simplest crypto strategies is long-term holding. Show crypto chart rising over years. This means buying strong cryptocurrencies and holding them for years instead of trading daily. Long-term investors focus on growth over time. Patience often beats emotional trading. Section 3. Crypto trading. Some people make money by trading price movements. Show fast-moving crypto charts. Popular trading styles include day trading, swing trading, scalping. But trading is risky. Without strategy and discipline, losses happen quickly. Beginners should start carefully. Section 4. Staking cryptocurrency. Certain cryptocurrencies allow staking. Show coins generating passive rewards. Staking means locking crypto to support a blockchain network while earning rewards. This creates passive income from holding crypto. Section 5. Crypto mining. Mining helps verify blockchain transactions. Show crypto mining computers glowing. Miners earn cryptocurrency rewards for processing transactions. However, mining often requires expensive equipment and electricity. Section 6. Investing in crypto projects early. Some investors search for promising new projects before they become popular. Show small crypto project growing rapidly. This strategy has high potential rewards, but also high risk. Research is critical. Never invest blindly because of hype. Section 7. Use risk management. This is where many people fail. Show falling chart with warning sign. Smart crypto investors never invest money they can't afford to lose. Diversify investments. Avoid emotional decisions. Risk management protects long-term survival. Section 8. Avoid common crypto mistakes. Many beginners lose money because of emotions. Show panic selling visuals. Common mistakes. Buying during hype. Panic selling during crashes. Following social media blindly. Successful investors stay calm and strategic. Section 9. Learn about market cycles. Crypto markets move in cycles. Show bull market vs bear market. Prices rise fast during bull markets and fall hard during bear markets. Understanding cycles helps investors avoid emotional mistakes. Section 10. Think long-term. The crypto market is volatile. Show chart fluctuating but trending upward long-term. Short-term price movements create fear and excitement, but long-term thinking helps reduce emotional decisions. Consistency and patience matter more than chasing quick profits. Bonus tips. Tip 1. Start small. Never rush into large investments. Show small crypto investment growing. Tip 2. Use secure wallets. Protect crypto with strong security. Tip 3. Keep learning. Crypto changes fast, and knowledge is important. Tip 4. Avoid scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Cryptocurrency can create opportunities, but only for people who manage risk wisely. Show glowing crypto coins with rising chart. Stay patient. Stay informed. And focus on long-term growth. Because smart decisions today can create financial opportunities tomorrow. And once people begin understanding how crypto really works, the mindset starts changing. Show beginner confusion turning into confident investing. Instead of chasing random coins, the focus shifts toward strategy. Research becomes important. Patience becomes valuable. And emotional decisions become less dangerous. One of the biggest lessons in crypto is this: volatility is normal. Show crypto chart moving up and down rapidly. Prices can rise fast. Prices can crash fast. But experienced investors understand that short-term fear does not always decide long-term outcomes. This is why discipline matters so much. Many beginners buy during excitement and sell during panic. Show emotional trading mistakes. But smart investors often do the opposite. They stay calm when markets become emotional. Another important factor is diversification. Putting everything into one coin increases risk dramatically. Show portfolio split into multiple assets. Many investors spread risk across large cryptocurrencies, stable investments, different sectors. This helps reduce major losses. Security is another huge part of crypto success. Show digital wallet lock security visuals. Because unlike traditional banking, crypto transactions are usually irreversible. That means protecting wallets, passwords, and recovery phrases is critical. One mistake can be expensive. Over time, many people realize crypto is not just about fast profits. It's also about understanding technology and financial systems. Show blockchain network visuals. Blockchain technology is expanding into finance, gaming, payments, digital ownership. And this is why many investors stay interested long-term. Still, the smartest approach is balance. Crypto can be part of a financial strategy, but it should not become reckless gambling. Show balanced portfolio visuals. Strong financial habits still matter. Saving money, managing risk, investing responsibly. Because wealth is rarely built through hype alone. It's built through patience, discipline, and smart decision-making. Show slow, steady portfolio growth. And eventually, people who stay consistent start understanding something important. The goal is not just making fast money. The goal is building long-term financial opportunities, and in the end, cryptocurrency is neither magic money nor guaranteed failure. It's simply a tool. Show glowing crypto coin transforming into financial chart. And like any financial tool, the results depend on how wisely it's used. Some people enter crypto chasing fast profits and emotional hype. Others enter with patience, research, and a long-term mindset. Over time, those approaches create very different outcomes. Because successful investing is not about predicting every price movement. It's about managing risk, staying disciplined, and thinking clearly when markets become emotional. Show calm investor versus panic seller. The crypto market will always have ups and downs. Bull runs create excitement. Crashes create fear. But smart investors understand that emotional reactions often lead to bad decisions. This is why education matters so much. The more knowledge grows, the better financial decisions become. Show learning and research visuals. And perhaps the biggest lesson is this: real wealth is rarely built overnight. Even in crypto, most long-term success comes from patience, consistency, smart risk management, continuous learning. Show these habits stacking together. Because the goal should never be reckless gambling. The goal should be building opportunities while protecting financial stability. So whether crypto becomes a small investment, a long-term strategy, or simply a learning experience, the smartest move is staying informed and staying disciplined. Show final text, learn smart. Invest carefully. Think long-term. Start small. Avoid emotional decisions. Focus on learning first. And turn curiosity about cryptocurrency into smarter financial decisions for the future.